I'm grateful to all of you that on a Sunday, you have taken out time to self-heal yourself, to self-empower yourself. Because we are taught many things in medical colleges, in engineering colleges, while in schools. But what should be our attitude and attitude towards ourselves? We forget. Time management is a very complex problem and never taught to us in the four walls of schools. We gather tips here and there from our parents, from our teachers, from our family and friends, sometimes from our younger colleagues as well. I heard Dr. Lakshmi time management something 15 years back, and since that time I'm watching her that she has taken workshops on time management in more than 50 places. She's very passionate about it. She's very passionate about training the youths, but then she's passionate about time management and she feels there is no age for us. As far as Dr. Lakshmi is concerned, she's a friend of mine for the last 3 decades. She had remained a principal of Delhi University College of Applied Sciences for 25 years. She founded it. She's a very decorated woman. I'm not going to list her achievements. One I can say is that whenever the principals were called across the country, Dr. Lakshmi's college was one which was shown to her always. And if you walked in her college and if you walked in her office, it was better than the President of India's office. So meticulous, so well utilized. So there's so many things to learn from her, but today she is going to tell us many things about it ourselves. But I feel the last 2 things are very important. She will definitely teach us what to eliminate in our life so we don't waste our time. And anything which can be delegated in life should be delegated. I here remind to all the people who are listening me, it's the 20% things which bring 80% of revenue, which bring 80% of reputation. So whether Harish Bhai or whether Dr. Shama Batra or whether Dr. Shushila, all these people have to learn those 20% things where you should concentrate. And the rest 80%, the time has come to delegate them. So over to you, Dr. Lakshmi. Dr. Harish, will you like to say why time management is important to all of us? Doctor, you have to unmute yourself.
Madam, as you said, there are certain things which are very important in life. That is one of them is obviously time management. We all have 24 hours at our disposal, and it is our priorities, and we have to decide how we utilize that. And obviously, Dr. Lakshmi is going to deliberate. I've heard her earlier also. When I was the president of East Delhi branch way back in 2007, she had taken many motivating lectures in various schools, and that was part of the IMS Delhi branch. Obviously, madam, we have to set our priorities, we have to set our goals, and we have to set the things and most important task, MITs, we have to focus, we have to plan ahead, and that is how we can always prioritize and do many things, because these days are of multitasking. You have to see your profession, you have to see your associations, you have to do social work, you have to see your family. So when you have to do a multitasking, you have to prioritize things and do time management, which is very important. And I think it will be the talk of Dr. Lakshmi is going to benefit us all. And then we will definitely, after she enlightens us, we'll discuss and ask her more about how to take it. It is very important, especially for the doctors, to manage their time.
Dr. Harish, who was just now speaking to us, is a member advisor to the National Medical Council, is advisor to the Government of India Ministry of Health, is very much decorated as far as his things are concerned. Dr. Shama Batra, a young person gynecologist, will you like to say something?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. It's very nice, ma'am. Dr. Lakshmi ma'am is going to talk regarding time management. We have also heard little bit before also with the Dr. Lakshmi ma'am. Main is if we manage time, I think we can reduce our stress and the productivity will increase naturally. So time management is very important. And from the childhood till whatever is the age, I think everybody should know how to manage time. That is most important.
Lakshmi is a lady herself, and the lady is synonymous with happiness and giving joy. So I think she will also give us tips how to take out time for oneself. So we are happy, healthy all the time and have time for ourselves without stress. Over to you, Dr. Lakshmi. Dr. Lakshmi, to you. Dr. Lakshmi, unmute yourself. I think, unmute yourself, please.
Okay, can you hear me? A very good evening to everybody. And I thank Dr. Sharda Jain and the organizers for inviting me to share my views. I know all of you manage time and you manage it beautifully. And today I must salute all the frontline doctors who have been working, hard for past, I think more than a year now. And they have, some of them have lost their life. I must do pranam to them, that, and salute them for their hard work. So I'm sure, they all know how to manage time. Dr. Harish, thanks for the kind words. Dr. Shama, thanks for the kind words too from you. Today is Sharda Jain, happy birthday. So I say, it's a happy birthday. A happy birthday to you from all of us. So I start with my presentation and let's see what title I have given today to my talk. Just a minute. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I'll keep the title as Time Management for Purposeful Living. I thought that's very, very important because many a times whenever I have given a lecture, many people feel, why manage time? In fact, I had talked to the retired doctors once and what happened was, I felt they'll ask me a question, "Aap humse ye kyun baat kar rahe hain? What is the use? We have enough time." See, when you have too much of time, managing that time is also very important. When you have too little time, you're doing too many jobs, then also time management becomes important. And last of all, or I would say the prime thing is, time management is there for purposeful living. And we'll see what is the purpose of life. I start with the Sanskrit mantra from the Upanishads. Om Sahana Vavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karavavahi, Tejasvina Vadhitamastuma, Vidvishavahi, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God protect us both, the teacher and the student. May God nourish us both. May we work together with energy and vigor. May our study be enlightening, not giving rise to hostility. Om peace, peace. You know that I had been working with the against female feticide, so I wrote a poem. I share that poem with you, The Silent Prayer of the Female Fetus. I do not have voice so that I could speak. I do not have legs so that I could sneak. I do not have eyes so that I could see. But I do have a right to live and make others guilty of what they seek. I did not come on my own into your womb. You brought me to this plight by your own deeds. Then why do I suffer in the hands of the meek? I do not have hands to fold and pray to you, but I have a small plea. Live and let live. Now, if you have a look, earlier time we did not have a clock. This was the sand clock which was there, and there was a hole in between, and the sand, how much sand passed through that hole determined the time of the day and night. Did you know that if you are having a span of 60 years, 12 years only is spent in constructive work. 20 years we are sleeping. 48 years including the 20 years of sleep, are used in education, holidays, eating, and commuting. Well, time management is a skill. It can be learned, and therefore, let's see how we can learn it. Now, many people, as I told you, ask, why manage time? Is it important? It's all you have, and you want to make most of it. You want to be very productive, very effective, and when you are productive, it gives you a lot of joy. So you're happy, the stress level goes down. And to get necessary and boring tasks done quickly, to have more time for enjoyable things. It reduces stress. You feel much better about yourself. Managing time helps create a balance in life. So you should be able to balance your life. That's very, very important. I hope you are hearing me.
Yeah.
Okay. This happens not going next. Just a minute. There is some stoppage here. Huh? Hide करो. अच्छा hide करो. Okay. Okay. हाँ ये क्या है? वो presentation कहाँ जाएगा? Just renewable income. Once gone, gone forever. The moment a child is born, what happens? The child, there is only finite time. We don't realize that हमारा ticket कट चुका है जब हम यहाँ पे आए हैं. The earlier we realize this, better it is. Otherwise, time is over when you are dead and gone forever. Now, here I would like to share a small anecdote. There were few people carrying loads of wood, the furniture, from one house to another. Man was shifting the house. And what happened was the furniture had to go to the 11th floor. And there was a leader. He said, oh, after an hour, he said, I have a good news and I have a bad news. Nobody wants to listen to bad news. Everybody wants to listen to good news. He said, they asked, what is the good news? We have reached the 10th floor. One small voice asked, what is the bad news? We have climbed the wrong tower. So the point is, the earlier we learn to manage our time and use it for purposeful living, I think we are better off. I would like to share a story of a man by name Capone. His name was Edward O'Hara. The airport in Chicago is named after his son, Butch O'Hara. Now, Capone was a very, very dirty man, and he was ruling over others. And how he was saved? He had a, lawyer by name Easy Eddie. Easy Eddie's son was Butch O'Hara. He was Edward O'Hara, but they used to call him Easy Eddie. Easy Eddie was given a very palatious house to live, a car, and all the comforts. But he had to save Capone from tax. He had to save Capone from all his bad deeds. And he has to save him. But one day, it occurred to him when a son was born to him. He said, if I, support wrong things which are happening, what will my son learn? So I must speak the truth. And he went to the police and informed them what Capone had done. And therefore, Capone was put into the jail. What happened to Easy Eddie? He was killed and murdered by Capone's mates who were along with him. And in Easy Eddie's pocket was a small note which said, the clock of life is wound but once, and no man has the power to tell just when the hands will stop, at late or early hour. Now is the only time you own. Live, love, toil with a will. Place no faith in time, for the clock may soon be still. So is there enough time for doing everything? No, it's not enough. Because out of the 24 hours of the day which we have, 18 hours are there because at least 6 to 8 hours we sleep. But there were people who utilized the time and became known in the world. Thomas Edison, He had 1900 patents. Robert Hooke, Leeuwenhoek, who was successful, who made these microscopes. Now, if I close my eyes and scan through my whole life, I can say, oh, I was in a school, I was a child, and then I went to college, I did my PhD, and I taught in a college, then I became a principal, and then I retired. Within a minute, I have finished my whole life story. How quickly it passed off. Why time is important? If you can't manage time, see, the time will manage you. Have a look at this man, he cannot manage time, what is happening to him? Because time is finite given to you. You want to achieve something in life. So, Abdul Kalam has said, you should always have a goal. Everybody should have a goal in life. You should dream about it. Anyone who does not dream is a criminal. क्या मैंने अपने आप को मर्डर किया? नहीं, मेरे विजन को मैंने मर्डर किया. Abdul Kalam said, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. And you have to, effective persons, what do? They make a goal and they take a critical path and directed activity towards the goal. But there are people who are not effective. What they do undirected activity. And therefore, they can never reach the goal. To reach the goal, you have to think positively and manage your time effectively. Now, you may ask, what should be my goal in life? I take the story of Lord Buddha. We all know he was a prince. And when he was born, his father was told that he will become an ascetic and he'll rule the world. But father did not want that he should become an ascetic. उन्होंने कहा साधु बन जाएगा, ये तो किंग बनना चाहिए. So what he did was, he did not allow him to go anywhere, and he built a small palace for him where he got him married and he had a child, Rahula, and all the comforts were given to him. No grief. Everything was available in the palace. Then what happened? One day, उसका रथी जो था, उसको ले गया बाहर. And he saw, thrice he went outside. One day he saw a man who was diseased, fever हो रहा था. तो उसने अपने रथवान से पूछा, ड्राइवर से, what is this? He said, he's suffering from an illness. He said, I'll have it. My wife will have it. My child will have it. Yes. Oh, so we'll suffer? Yes. Then he saw old man. He said, will I have it? Yes. Oh, it's so bad. I'll become old. Then he saw a dead body. And he said, oh God, everybody will die. I'll also die. My wife will die. My child will die. Oh my Lord, how much of sadness is there in the world? So he said, no. Again he went out and he saw a sadhu, mendicant. And he was shaven, the head was shaven, and he was very happy. He said, he bowed to him and he said, you're so happy, you won't die, you won't have old age, you won't have disease. He says, my body will have the disease, my body will become old, the body will die, but I stay in my Atman. My Atman will not die, my Atma will remain the same. It will not die, it is never born, it never dies. And therefore I am always happy. Now, if you have a look, everything in this world is impermanent. All states will pass, all things will vanish, all formations are unstable, all mountain will crumble, memories will be lost, like tears in rain, nothing static, remains static without change. Homes will collapse into dust. Phenomena are of a nature to break. And everything will be, they are all temporary things. And therefore he realized impermanence. So he went out in search of a guru and he kept fast and then he attained nirvana. Nirvana means enlightenment. An enlightened soul he became. What was this? The knowledge proclaimed in the Upanishad is a science which deals with the removal of sorrows. After all, what do we want in our life? We want to be happy. We want to be happy. सब खुश रहना चाहते हैं कि नहीं? कोई दुखी नहीं रहना चाहता. हम खुश रहना चाहते हैं. So he gave the four noble truths. Life means suffering. यदि आप पैदा हुए हैं, suffering is there. What is the origin of suffering? Suffering is due to attachment. We are attached. चाहे पैसे से अटैच्ड हो, चाहे अपनी फैमिली से अटैच्ड हो, चाहे फ्रेंड्स से अटैच्ड हो, बहुत चीजों से अटैचमेंट हो जाती है. अब उसको कोई ले जाए तो बहुत दुख होता. Suffering, cessation of suffering. You are the ones who can cessate the suffering. And he gave the eightfold pathway for removal of suffering. Now let us stop and think. What is the purpose of life? Now there is a sadhu sitting on the top of the mountain and telling people, come here, I'll tell you what is the meaning of life. There's nobody going to him. But you see, tax avoidance advice a man is giving, another man sitting on the top of the mountain. There is a huge queue. We are only involved in money, money and money. But can money buy happiness? Is the question which I have. What is happiness? It's our true nature. We become happy by our ignorance. We are happy when our desires and expectations are fulfilled. Therefore, हमारा desire पूरा हो गया, expectation जितना था वो मिल गया. We are very, very happy. If expectations are more and you get less than what you expected, then unhappiness is there. But how to remove unhappiness? Understand what you are. Understand you are not this body. How do I understand? Now, हम क्या कहते हैं? ये मेरा पेन, ये मेरा बैग. क्या मैं बैग हूं? क्या मैं पेन हूं? नहीं. ये मेरा शरीर, माई बॉडी, ये मेरा शरीर. क्या फिर मैं बॉडी हूं? पेन नहीं हूं, बैग नहीं हूं, तो मैं बॉडी कैसे हो सकती हूँ? So I'm beyond something, beyond that body. So I have to understand, and that we are seeing every day. जो हमारा waking state है उसको हम कहते हैं जागृत. Dreaming state कहते हैं स्वप्न. Deep state सुषुप्ति. उसके beyond जो silent state है वो तुरिया कहते हैं. Now let us understand all this is actually present in the word Om. हम कहते हैं ओम का जाप करो, ओम को बार बार बोलो. क्यों कह रहे हैं? It has four parts. A जो है आ बोलते हैं पहले, आ, ऊ, मा and silence. A is akara. That's the waking state. Whoever knows this obtains all the desire and is best of all. Then we have U. U is ukara. That is the dream state. Utkarsha, meaning exaltation. He knows this. He who knows this excels in the power of understanding. तो हम क्या होता है, पहले हम जागृत में रहते हैं, then we go to the dream state. At that time, our indriyas are not working, karmendriyas are not working. Everything goes into the mind, and then we see the dream from our vasanas. Then we go into the deep sleep. The deep sleep, are you a father? Are you a mother? Are you a boy? Are you a girl? You don't know anything. You are in deep sleep. That means you are merging with the Brahman. You are one with the member, Brahman. And you get so much of happiness. Supposing you don't sleep for a week or 10 days. My Lord, you will be an angry person. You can't sleep at all. So sleep is very important and it gives us the joy. भगवान ने हमको एक झलक दी है उसकी. ये हमको पता होना चाहिए. The fourth is Turiya. It is represented by the silence after the Om. No elements cannot be spoken of. It is benign, non-dual. Thus the syllabus Om is Atman. Whoever knows realizes Brahman. The purpose, life is to become that consciousness, that Atman consciousness जिसको कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में हम कहते हैं ना तत्वमसि. We have to become that. Brahman Hindus का है, Christians का God है, अल्लाह है मुस्लिम का, ब्रह्मन है सच्चित आनंद, सभी हमारे स्पिरिचुअल टीचिंग्स में। एक बार ऐसा हुआ, हसन करके एक बहुत बड़ा मुस्लिम, तो एक दिन वो खड़े होके कह रहा था, भगवान आप अपना डोर खोलिए, दरवाजा खोलिए। तो वहां से एक रबिया जो सूफी थी वो जा रही थी, कहा जस्ट ओपन योर आईज एंड सीज द लॉर्ड इज प्रेजेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। There were 5 great saints who went in search of truth. Buddha, Shankara, or Mahavir. And then you have the Ramana Maharshi, Swami Vivekanand. So you have to understand Atma Vidya, Adhyatma Vidya. It is very necessary to know who we are. Who am I? If you are born in this world, there's a lot of sorrow. You don't want this sorrow. So how was that saint living? He was living in his Atma. Therefore, he was happy. So he was not attached even to his body. And to overcome this, you have to realize yourself, the Atma Vidya or Adhyatma Vidya. Buddha's 8-fold pathways: right view, right thought, right speech. किसी को speech से अपने hurt मत करो. Right behavior, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness and right concentration. Right view क्या है? Everything in this life is impermanent. कुछ भी permanent नहीं है. Intention क्या है? Right renunciation, त्याग. Speech क्या है? No harsh word, no gossip. Search for truth. Right action, no killing or suicide, no stealing, no sexual misconduct. जो बहुत बढ़ गया है. Right livelihood, earn in righteous way. Right effect, no distraction, steadfast. Right mindfulness, contemplation on body, mind and soul. Right concentration, meditation, one-pointed. Lord Mahavir said, time is the only factor highly valuable, since time lost cannot be regained. So it has to be used only for constructive, creative and positive development in life. There are 3 keys to time management: remembering, setting priority, as Dr. Harish said, motivation. को enthusiasm ऐसा होना चाहिए जैसे infectious हो, सभी को enthusiastic करा. तो priority में क्या है? हम कहते हैं a stitch in time saves 9. यदि हमारा कहीं फट जाता है तो हम उसको सिलते नहीं है तो पूरी साड़ी फट जाएगी या पूरा, तो a stitch saves your time. And now we come to the Italian scientist, economist by name Pareto. He gave a principle called the Pareto's principle. हर जगह ये 20-80 का फॉर्मूला. 20 things are urgent, 80% important, 80% unimportant, to 20% valuable. In our organization, we find 20% of the people work, 80% इतना नहीं, तो वही सारा result produce करते हैं. So we have to have a priority matrix. We should have urgent and important things, not urgent and not important, urgent and not important, not urgent and not important. हम अपना सारा टाइम not urgent, not important में वेस्ट करते हैं. Gossiping, movies, TV, going here, there. इसमें सारा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना. Urgent and important, early to rise, do meditation. Not urgent, do yoga daily. Urgent नहीं है, but इसके बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. थोड़ा सोशल सर्विस करो, थोड़ा कॉन्टेम्पलेशन करो. अर्जेंट एंड नॉन इम्पोर्टेंट आर यू हैव टू पे योर ड्यूज ऑन टाइम, अदरवाइज आपका मोबाइल कट जाएगा, कंप्यूटर से आप वाईफाई कट जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू सी, डोंट जस्ट वर्क स्मार्ट ऑन राइट थिंग एट द राइट मोमेंट. इफ द मोमेंट इज गॉन, आप क्या टाइम को रोक सकते हो? नो, टाइम विल नॉट स्टॉप फॉर एनीबडी. देन we always do procrastination. Karu na. Have a look at this lady. Shall I telephone or not? Most of our time is lost in deciding what to do, what not to do. Determination is a solution to procrastination. If I decide to pursue the truth seriously, go ahead and stop not till the goal is reached. Whatever obstacle come in your way will vanish if your determination is strong. Okay? I had gone to Cambridge, and one of the ladies who was talking about time management brought a bucket into our classroom. We were wondering why she has brought a bucket. She said, divide the time of the week into buckets. Buckets में क्या है? ये कितना हम कर रहे हैं काम? ये पूरा आपका 24 आवर्स डे से कितना टाइम टाई कर रहे हैं, जब कितना टाइम कर रहे हैं, योगा कितना कर रहे हैं, सत्संग कर रहे हैं, सेल्फ कर रहे हैं, सेल्फ के लिए टाइम है कि नहीं. विमेन के लिए अपने लिए टाइम नहीं होता. रिक्रिएशन, मेडिटेशन, मौन रहते हैं कभी, सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ काम कर रहे हैं कि उसमें भी होल है. So we have to see how full our buckets are, and it has to be balanced. Otherwise, we will not be able to do self के लिए time नहीं दे पाएंगे, society के लिए भी नहीं time दे पाएंगे. As a woman professional, be methodical. If you receive a letter, classify. अब तो letter नहीं आती, email ही है. Telephone number को record कर सकते हैं, अब तो mobile है. Plan your day's work. As a woman professional, learn to delegate at home. Getting the child ready मैं ही करूंगी, leaving the child to school मैं ही करूंगी, tea भी मैं ही बनाऊंगी, breakfast भी मैं ही बनाऊंगी. How can I do all the work? Delegate. Tell others, please help me out. Tell your husband, tell your in-laws, tell your children you have to do. You have to also go to office on time. Delegation in office too. You have to do a surgery, talking to the patient, their relatives, writing down prescription, buying everything for your clinic, getting your clinic clean and tidy, seeing patient, typing, surgery. Can you do everything yourself? No, you have to delegate. Delegation is an unlimited method to multiply time. So as students also, supposing एक हफ्ते में मेरा एग्जाम है, 4 बच्चे मिल गए, उन्होंने कहा हम एक चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे, फिर इजीली हम समझ सकते हैं. So all of us get prepared and use the newer technology. It saves time. Use computers, macros, address label, data system, and get things automated now. Delegate. Write instructions, use them, develop systems and refine them. Review your working style in a reflective way. Stay tidy, stay on top. Have the written goals. Written goals save time. Written goals help measure progress. Written goals produce motivation. They reduce conflict and becomes a basis of action. And when you write everything, it stimulates visualization. Once Swami Vivekananda was asked by a blind person, can there be anything worse than losing eyesight? Vivekananda said, yes, losing your vision. Worrying does not take away tomorrow's trouble, it takes away today's peace. अब हम कैसे करें? देखिए, weekly summary time बनाइए, Monday to Sunday. How much time in sleeping? How much time in eating? Japa, yoga, studies, service to the society, satsang and others. What did you actually do? आप एक लाइन में लिखिए. What did you expect to do? The difference will give you where you wasted your time. Always have a mentor. Your guru can be a mentor. Your SIPs can be a mentor. A friend, your mother, your husband, some relative. Discuss and share. Never be afraid to relax, meditate, have fun. But do so as a conscious decision. Don't just drift around. Work on one thing at a time. Get an answering machine, a filing system. अब देखिए, ये भी तो कर रहा है enjoy. अब वो कर सकता है तो हम नहीं कर सकते. I am sure we can enjoy. अब देखिए यहाँ पे, ये देखिए, ये भी enjoy कर रहा है, ये भी enjoy कर रहा है. कहाँ पे? ऑफिस में बैठ के, कि रात को सोया नहीं था. So you have to relax, otherwise you will be sleeping during surgery. Please take a note. It's important. Goal of life depends on the quality of your aim in life. You are what your thoughts are. As you think, you become. Be holistic. ये मत सोचिए मेरे लिए I is illness, we is wellness. all is almighty, sabhi almighty ke hain. Be a master of time and do not become a slave of time. What are the 10 commandments of time management? Start with a goal. Simplify where possible. Block your time. Work on tough time during prime time. जैसे सुबह सुबह उठ के पढ़ोगे बहुत easily दिमाग के अंदर जाता है, fresh होता है. Write instead of talking. Phone instead of visit. फोन कर सकते हैं आजकल तो आपका ये आ गया है आपका video calls. So you can talk. It appears as if your daughter, if she is sitting in US, she is sitting next to you and talking. Prepare daily and weekly schedule. Get organized. Delegate. मैं आपको एक शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. I had gone to Dubai Women's College. Everything was organized by one of the women there. I asked her, how do you manage your time? She was a Muslim lady. So smart, organizing everything. I said, you have a family? She said, I have 7 children. 7 बच्चों को भी manage कर रही है और यहाँ सारा काम कर रही है. I mean, he knows how to delegate. Avoid impulse and accumulate. Schedule time for you. Alan Lethin, who is a person who has done a lot of work on time management, says, if you control your time, you control your life. That is what you require to achieve a goal. This I found in Dr. Jyoti's house, this poem. Therefore, I'll read this poem. There is some disturbance, Dr. Sharda. Is it in my, this thing?
Please, everybody mute yourself, please.
Okay.
Dr. Sushil Jindal, please mute yourself, please, madam. Sushil Jindal, please mute yourself.
Okay. There is time for everything. Take time to think. It's a source of power. Take time to read. It is a foundation of wisdom. Take time to play. It is secret of staying young. Take time to be quiet. It is an opportunity to see God. Take time to love and be loved. It's God's greatest gift. Take time to laugh. It is the music of the soul. I sing this for you. There isn't any trouble just to smile. There isn't any trouble just to smile. So smile when you're in trouble. It will vanish like a bubble if you only take the trouble just to smile. There isn't any trouble just to GRI and grin. There isn't any trouble just to GRI and grin. So grin when you're in trouble. It will vanish like a bubble if you only take the trouble just to GRI and grin. There isn't any trouble just to LAUGH. There isn't any trouble just to LAUGH. So laugh when you're in trouble. It will vanish like a bubble if you only take the trouble just to LAUGH. There isn't any trouble just to ha 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 ha. There isn't any trouble just to ha 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 ha. So when you're in trouble, it will vanish like a bubble if you only take the trouble just to ha 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 ha. It's the music of the soul. Take time to work. It is the prize of success. Take time to pray. It is the greatest power on earth. आप सबके पास एक बैंक अकाउंट होगा ना? Let us see the bank account of life. This was sent to me by my, daughter, so to say, my neighbor's daughter, Malini, once to me. Imagine there is a bank which credits on your account each morning rupees 86,400. And it carries over no balance from day to day. What will you do? एक पैसा आप use करोगे. Every evening deletes whatever part of the balance you failed to use during the day. So what would you do? Draw out every cent, of course. आप छोड़ोगे? नहीं, हम कोई नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Each of us has a bank. Its name is time. Every morning it credits 86,400 seconds. Every night it writes off as lost whatever of this you have failed to invest to good purpose. It carries over no balance. It allows no overdraft. Each day it opens a new account for you. Each night it burns the remains of the day. If you fail to use the day's deposit, whose loss? The loss is yours. There is no going back. There is no drawing against tomorrow. You must live in the present on today's deposit. Invest it so as to get from it the utmost health, happiness, and success. The clock is running. Make the most of the day. To realize the value of a year, ask a student who failed a grade. To realize the value of a month, to value of a week, ask the editor of a weekly newspaper. To realize the value of an hour, ask the lovers who are waiting to meet. To realize the value of a minute, ask the person who missed the train. To realize the value of a second, ask the person who just avoided an accident. To realize the value of a millisecond, ask the person who won a silver medal in the Olympics, could not get gold. Treasure every moment you have. And treasure it more because you shared it with someone special. Special enough to spend your time, and remember that time waits for no one. Today I'm, sharing with all of you as special people. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. And that's why it is the present. आज आपके लिए यही present आया है शारदा जी. A vision. ये स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा. Sow a thought, reap an act. Sow an act, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap a destiny. Now, all of us want this happiness. Try to understand, who am I? Am I this body? Am I these hands, the legs, the eyes? Or am I something different? We'll realize soon as we start pondering over this that I am myself as the Atman. उसको हम कहते हैं अंदर का आत्मा, प्रत्यगात्मा. Not that this Atma is not around. It's called consciousness. It's everywhere. It's pervading everywhere. So it is the smallest, the self, the Atma, smaller than the smallest, greater than the greatest. This self forever dwells in the hearts of all. A person freed from desire, with mind and senses purified, beholds the glory of self. Once you understand self, it is without sorrow. That is what Katha Upanishad says. So if you want to get out of this sorrow, as happened to Arjuna when he went for Kurukshetra war, the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, he said, I will not fight. So he was overcome with sorrow. Grief किसके लिए था? कि सब लोग मर जाएंगे. क्या होगा? Because he was attached to them. तो हमको क्या करना है? हमको समझना मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? The moment I realized I am the Atman, it never dies. It is never born. Only the body dies, which is made of Panchabhutas, and it mixes with the Panchabhutas. So let us relax with this last slide of mine. There is time for everything. Thank you very much. That's the end of my talk today.
Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi. Thank you very much. Just stop presenting so we can see everybody. Dr. Lakshmi, just stop presenting.
I'm just coming. Just let me. It is taking a little time.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I think time management tips have been given by Dr. Lakshmi. I don't want to repeat it. The only thing I can definitely say, I remember here when my father used to say, कभी पता ही नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आप बिजी हो। आप कभी नहीं कहो किसी को कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है।
जिसके जो बिजी होता है उसके पास ही टाइम ज्यादा रहता है।
So he said, never say that you don't have time. And jab bhi say, I'm meeting Sushila, I must put 100% my things to Sushila. So she should, when she gets up, she should be just feeling, yes, Dr. Jain gave me full attention. So that should be our things. And I think in the end slide, which Dr. Lakshmi said, unless you're relaxed, unless your soul is relaxed, unless your body is relaxed, you will never be happy. I may eat one adi chapati of bajra. I will be very happy instead of having, posh meal in a 5-star hotel. So all the perception is only things. But I think, let's get back to the time, and I will take opinions of people. I will start with Dr. Sushila, then I will go back to Dr. Harish, and other people will say. Dr. Sushila, for you to speak.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for inviting me and giving this opportunity. I am really honored. And definitely this talk was almost complete on the time management. As Dr. Harish said, we have only 24 hours, and Dr. Shama Batra has said we have to be, that it should be effective. We have to work out for effectiveness. So there are few points in my mind which I will try to tell you. That organization is very important. Prioritization is a very important point. But at the same time, when we are working on something, we should avoid distractions in our work. We should avoid distractions so there are multiple things to avoid distractions. Now, I'm not going to detail those, how we have to stop them. And number 2, when we are prioritizing something and we are scheduling our program, it should be realistic. We should have awareness of the time, how much work it should going to take time. And we should be aware of that time, like we are doing some work, it should not happen this work will be completed in 4 hours and we are imagining it will finish in 1 hour. So this is also very important, awareness of the time, and the goal should be realistic. And definitely it is very, very important point to delegate the things. And this is before delegating the things, you should be aware of the things, what work should be delegated to whom. This is also very important to have the result oriented, because we are result oriented, we want a result maximum efficacy of the time. So it is very important to find out who's the fellow is going to work this effectively. So delegation, this is very important point, whom to delegate. And one more thing I will say, although Dr. Sharda Jain ma'am has said we should not say we don't have time. Definitely this is very important point. But at the same time, I want to say sometimes something is not in your cup of tea. So you have to say, you have to learn to say no to sometime. Like sometime this is also like I feel this is important. I don't know whether
I had kept a slide today. I had taken out that slide. Yes, you should be able to say no. But
sometimes we have to say other.
But if it is a urgent thing required by your friend, somebody is in trouble, you have to give that time. You can't say no. But yes, sometimes you should be able to say no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And definitely I have learned so many things, Lakshmi, from Lakshmi ji. And there was something very new, and we were practically using time management, but we never thought of have a webinar on time management. Otherwise, we are thinking, yes, we are managing time. Discipline is very important in the time management. But at the same time, sometimes if you are too much disciplined and you are organizing or you are giving discipline, you are teaching discipline to others, sometimes it is a very stressful condition also at the same time. Sometimes it makes a difference. Sometimes you have to be undisciplined also. For that matter, if you are delegating the things to junior ones or something, because these things I am learning from now in the next generation. Some things I am learning. Some discipline is also.
I will come to Dr. Girish Tyagi. Before that, Dr. Harish Gupta, for you to comment. Sir, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am Lakshmi, for an excellent lecture. Even in the last few years, only your wisdom and your experience has increased, and it has added to the your talk. After so many years, it was absolutely complete. Just a few things I'll say. At times, we don't know where we are wasting our time. So we must have a time audit, that where are we spending our most of the time. And that is why we can say that if we are wasting a time somewhere, we should divide a time for each task, that this task should be realistically be done in this thing. And at times we just wake up in the morning and think that what to be done. So an important part of the time management is to plan ahead, maybe a day prior, maybe at night ahead. We can plan, said while getting up in the morning, I'll do these MIT's most important tasks at the first go. So this will improve our time management. But the ultimate aim of life is, as you have said, is to have happiness. We may earn money, we may have fame, name, but ultimately if we are not happy, and as Dr. Sharda Zain ma'am has said, happiness is a state of mind. So it has to be that whether we eat a chapati at home or we take a dinner in a 5-star hotel. So ultimate aim is to be happy, to be contentment. So that comes with a selfless, honest working, which are also part of this. So my only carry home message will be, our only aim should be happiness. So which can be attained with a realistic time management. We can plan ahead, we can delegate the work, we can have a teamwork, and maybe prioritize our things. And ultimately, the honest, selfless working always brings happiness, and that should be our goal. And we will keep on learning all this. But I think it was a really very wonderful to discuss this time management aspect today. Thank you, ma'am.
I come to Dr. Girish Tyagi's comment. He's at the helm of the organization called Delhi Medical Council, 56,000 doctors there. Sir, what is your tip to time management? Dr. Girish Tyagi. Dr. Girish Tyagi, are you there? I'll come back to Girish Tyagi. Before that, I will take your comments from Dr. Chandralatha. Dr. Chandralatha.
Good evening, everybody. It was a mesmerizing talk by Dr. Lakshmi Devi. I was, of course, I am very, keen to hear her because she speaks so well. Now, regarding time management, I said time is the one thing which is not in our hand. And time is the one variable which flies always. So in time management, we have to, prioritize our, goals. And whatever goals we set, those goals should be measurable and achievable. And whenever we prioritize our tasks, they should be based on importance and urgency, as madam you said, and set a time limit to complete our goal, which is very important. And in between, we must take some break, which will give us relaxation. And that relaxation will make us happy and from mind, heart and everything. And we must organize ourselves. We must remove non-essential tasks or activities which, put a hindrance in our completing the task. So we should plan ahead and achieve our goal. And moreover, one thing is, it is not, this time management is not only in the, corporate world, this thing. This is with our doctors and everybody, teachers, doctors, everybody, even household wives should, know the time management. And so that they can also enjoy.
सारा दिन cooking नहीं कर सकती, सारा दिन घर नहीं. She has to have time for herself also. She has to have time for other things also.
Yes. Everybody should have that,
I think,
right.
golden tip which was given by Dr. Lakshmi was कि आप इमेजिन करके देखो, आप 8,640 छोटे से कॉइन्स रखो और सारे में देखो कि इसमें कहाँ खर्च करोगे, और एंड हफ्ते में खाली तो करना ही है आपको. तो आप 2 दिन आप करके देखोगे, तीसरे दिन आप बिल्कुल क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी कि हाउ टू मैनेज टाइम. I think I will take a comment from Dr. Sunil Singhal. Dr. Singhal, I could see that you are here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Please.
First of all, I congratulate you for such a nice session. And it was a wonderful, amazing session on time management. I would like to add one more thing. We should prioritize our priorities. Number one. Number two, distribution or delegation of work, as ma'am said. And एक चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि we should enjoy what we already have. हमारे गोल्स हैं, ठीक हैं, आगे हमें बढ़ना है, सब करना है, पर हम उसमें इस भाग दौड़ में भूल जाते हैं कि जो भी हमारे पास है उसको एंजॉय नहीं करते. तो आई स्ट्रेस अपॉन दैट कि हमारे पास जितना है उसको भी हम साथ ही साथ अपना एंजॉय करें और फिर आगे बढ़े.
डॉक्टर सुनील सिंघल, यहाँ पे मैं आपकी प्रायोरिटाइज करने में आपकी मैडम का कमाल करूंगी. मैंने उनसे एक बार पूछा, मैडम आप मीटिंग में क्यों नहीं आती? तो उन्होंने कहा, डॉक्टर साहब मुझे टेरेस गार्डन पसंद है, वही 24 घंटे हमारे पास, अगर आपकी मीटिंग में टाइम में वेस्ट कर दूंगी तो मेरे को जो बच्चे हैं टेरेस में उनको टेने का टाइम नहीं रहेगा. So this is what we have to do. If you want to excel, you need to prioritize what is your priority and what gives you happiness. So I will call Dr. Girish Tyagi. Is he here?
He has got some connection network issue. He has left.
Okay. Anybody wants to make any comment? Dr. Shobha ji, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? Sir, madam, unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself, ma'am. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आपको?
अनम्यूट करिए, अनम्यूट. मैडम अनम्यूट करिए.
हाँ जी मैम, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी की टॉक बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत कुछ समझने को मिला. एंड आई फील लाइफ इज टू शॉर्ट एंड थिंग्स आर टू मेनी टू बी डन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रायोरिटाइज करने के लिए ही इज द ओनली सॉल्यूशन.
सर म्यूट कर लीजिए, मैडम सब लोग म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को.
And sometime today I've learned from you, even though I've been learning on everyday basis, but कि सुबह अपने लिए कुछ टाइम निकाल के, then some time for the family, some for the major time, our time goes for the profession, and some for the society. So that's why I feel कि life is too short, tasks are too many.
मैं एक बात ऐड करना चाहती हूँ. I had gone to retired doctors and I was talking on time management. I'm telling you, one of the leading doctors, he said, "Madam, मैं retire हो गया हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा टाइम कैसे पास करूं. I'm killing my time." पहले तो मैं ये करता था कि आई यूज टू पैसे के यहाँ इन्वेस्ट किया, वहां इन्वेस्ट किया, स्टॉक किया, वो किया, सारा टाइम इसमें पैसे से पैसे बनाता रहा. उसके बाद मुझे समझ नहीं आया, फिर मैं टीवी देखता था सारा टाइम. मुझे अब भी समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं टाइम कैसे मैनेज. ही आस्क्ड मी दिस क्वेश्चन. आई सेड, डॉक्टर साहब यू हैव सच अ बिग स्किल, ऑल डॉक्टर्स आर हैविंग. आप घर में ही एक छोटा सा लोगों को जो जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है वो कंसल्ट करके आने दीजिए. आपको जो खुशी मिलेगी ना, वो टाइम मैनेज भी हो जाएगा और खुशी भी उतनी मिलेगी. तो यू सी, यू हैव टू प्लान कि रिटायरमेंट के बाद हम क्या करेंगे. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि यू डोंट नो हाउ टू मैनेज दैट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम, एंड उससे क्या होता है, स्ट्रेस होता है, डिप्रेशन में बहुत जने चले जाते. दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
डॉक्टर साथ में आपने जितने लोग रिटायर्ड डॉक्टर्स हैं, Dr. Lakshmi was a favorite person because she could chat with them. I can see Dr.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Dr.
Ma'am, एक बात बोला, एक ये सुन लीजिए.
Unmute yourself, please. Mute yourself.
मैडम एक ये है, वक्त से दिन और रात, वक्त से कल और आज, वक्त की हर शय गुलाम, वक्त का हर शय पेरा.
Ma'am, you have to control time. नहीं तो वो आपको कंट्रोल करेगा. I can see Dr. Mehta from Ghaziabad. Dr. Mehta, आज तो आपको बोलना ही पड़ेगा. सरला मेहता.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर बात होगी.
Dr. Sarla Mehta, can you hear me? Anybody wants to speak? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say something.
Yes.
Everybody should have something real बहुत इंजॉयमेंट होता है. तो एवरीबडी शुड हैव दैट हॉबी. सपोज इन देयर एक्टिव लाइफ और भाग दौड़ में, जैसे जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में सपोज आपका कोई पैशन कहीं पीछे छूट गया है, तो आई थिंक इफ इन द रिटायरमेंट लाइफ इफ यू कैन लिव विद योर पैशन और योर इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज आल्सो वन थिंग वी कैन एडवाइस टू रिटायर्ड. और दूसरी चीजें, सपोज कभी भी किसी भी स्टेज पे आपको नेचर को एंजॉय करने का, सपोज यू डोंट गेट टाइम टू एंजॉय नेचर एंड ट्राई टू एंजॉय नेचर, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी लाइक फुल ऑफ लाइफ एंड एंजॉयमेंट. जैसे गार्डनिंग, सम टाइम आई फील कि गार्डनिंग चाहे किसी ने कभी भी ना की हो लाइफ में, पौधों के साथ या प्लांट्स के साथ आप अपना छोटा सा टेरेस गार्डन बनाइए या कुछ, दिस इज वेरी फुल ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट. जैसे लाइक कोविड में बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे सिखाई हैं. मैंने मतलब बचपन से मुझे शौक था, बट आई नेवर like I was not living this life, and in the COVID time I spent time with my terrace garden, so I really enjoyed it. Because
I think time has come to sum up things. You know, we will take leading. अभी तो थोड़ी बहुत theory की बात हुई, पर practical की बात करते हैं. I will talk about my time management. What was 20 years back is not the same now. My priorities are different. Now I want to be peaceful all the time. My only aim is I should be peaceful at the end of the day. And how I find, I get up early. I get up very early. And I've decided to myself, I'm going to sing 2 bhajans for myself after the meditation session. And since the time I've started doing, I can say that my creativity has increased. In my childhood, you want to learn singing, and my father said, you've got a second mother, you focus on your studies, and that should be things. आपको बहुत मौके मिलेंगे काम आप म्यूजिक सीखने को. So can you realize it, at the age of 70 plus, I've created a group where you only sing for yourself. उसमें कोई परेशानी नहीं कि शोभा जी ने हाँ कही है, कि मैडम चंद्र को कैसा लगा है, आपको अच्छा लगा, बहुत बढ़िया. And I find we have such a lovely sleep. We are 30 odd members in there, and everybody enjoys. They are on the top of the world. कोई negativity आसपास नहीं है. And here again, I can tell you, as an ace surgeon, as an ace clinician, I can tell you, आपको 10 चीजें आती हैं. 10 चीजें में आपकी 2 ही चीज ऐसी हैं जो आपको 80% पैसा देती है. Just concentrate on those 20% and delegate everything else to the rest of the people. We are wasting time. ऊपर वाला कहता है मोक्ष तभी मिलेगा जबकि आपके उस मेरे बनाए वाले बंदों के लिए सेवा करोगे. उसके बिना उसको पा नहीं सकोगे आप. हरीश करता है, Dr. Shama Batra is trying, everybody is trying to do it. Do it selflessly, and I'm sure आप selflessly करोगे तो एक दिन वो आपकी बात जरूर सुनेगा. ये जब हम थपेड़े लगते हैं हमें पब्लिक में, कोई हमें अच्छा कहेगा तो कोई हमें सिर पे बिठाएगा, तो ये जो थपेड़े लगते हैं वो थपेड़े लगना बहुत जरूरी है. They put you back time and again on the ground and you realize मेरा होमवर्क कम हुआ है. जब आप सच में जनरली टच करोगे, कुछ भी ताकत दुनिया की आपको रोक नहीं सकते. So you learn to prioritize. आप अपना काम कल पे नहीं टालोगे, जो डेलीगेट कर सकते हो उसको डेलीगेट करना चाहोगे, और बेकार की पिक्चरें देखने के लिए, बेकार की टीवी बहसों को सुनने के लिए एक आप YouTube चैनल में 5 मिनट की कोई किताब सुन लोगे, आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा कर जाएगी. So I will ask Dr. Lakshmi to tell her time management, what she is doing post retirement. She was very clear, I'm not going to seek any employment after my retirement. How does she does it? Let's hear from her.
Morning when I get up, I do exercise. That is for nearly an hour. That is like a meditative exercise because I don't talk to anybody. That will be 1 hour exercise after having a cup of coffee. Then if nowadays, we have to clean the house, so we clean the house and then take my bath. After that, I'll do my prayers. And that prayers will take me 15-20 minutes. And after that, ब्रेकफास्ट तैयार हुआ. यदि मैं अपने घर में होती हूँ तो मैं बनाती हूँ, यहाँ होती हूँ तो कभी मैं कभी मेरी बहन ज्यादातर बनाती. Then we have our breakfast. After that, we have kept some reading habit, like Lalitas Sahasranam and japa for After that, cooking starts. That cooking is over. 1 o'clock, I have my lunch. And nowadays, I'm teaching a child who is in 11th class. So then, madam, जरा बंद कर देना अपना disturbance आ रहा है, madam. Mute कर लेना, mute.
Dr. Nutan, please mute yourself, please, madam.
मैं 2 बार आई थी, ज्यादा आई थी. आजा.
Okay, so then I teach that child. After that, 4:45 to 5:45, I have this thing, what do you call, a class with the children of the Ramakrishna Mission every day for 5 days. And on Saturday, Sunday, we are doing Kathopanishads. That is at night, 8 to 9. So that's how the thing passed. At night, I read the gospel, Shri Ramakrishna ka, do meditation of 5-10 minutes and then sleep. That is my time management.
Anybody wishes to share? Anybody wishes to share?
And of course, sometimes music goes, oh, music में चलता है.
मैं सैंडविचेस बनाए थे, वो भी ले लो. काय करेगी इतना कुछ.
Dr. Shama Batra, we will wind up with you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Again, good evening, everyone. It was very nice, Dr. Lakshmi ma'am. We enjoyed every moment of it, and we have learned so much from you, ma'am. And we keep learning. And one more thing I want to say thanks to all my panelists and Dr. Sharda Jain ma'am for organizing such a good meeting with us. Ma'am, Dr. Lakshmi ma'am, एक चीज ऐड कर दीजिए मुझे.
जरूर लाओ काट लो.
There is one disturbance in between.
It's okay. Dr. Nutan Gupta, please mute yourself. Dr. Nutan Gupta, mute yourself, please.
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, the way you have taught us today time management, when I was going through time management, today there is a topic time management. I should also say Google and all these things. From there, I have seen one thing. There are 4 Ds of time management are there. 2 Ds you have already taught, ma'am. Ki do and delegate. 2 more D was there. One is defer and other is delete. Remove unnecessary tasks from your schedule and move on. That is most important.
Very good.
That we can add in our, that we should have in our time management, we should delete the things also. Whatever is the not good for us, I feel.
Correct.
और मैम अभी तो बहुत कुछ सीखना है आप सबसे में. Thank you मैम.
That's right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
you.
आप ये मुझे बताइए, anybody wants to volunteer for a talk next time? Anybody wants to volunteer, please get in touch with either Dr. Chandralata or myself. So thank you very much. I
Thank you,
can
ma'am.
see.
Thank you for
Yes, Dr. Harish.
Once again, happy birthday. to
Thank you, madam.
And, I think it is very useful, not only that you are teaching us academically, but you are taking care of the other aspects of life also. And they are very important at this age. In the COVID era, we have learned all these aspects are very important. Thank you for giving us the way of life, for helpless working, to be happy, and for time management. Thank you, everybody. And I think this is the best gift Madam has given to us today about doing so many things with great respect and with good time management.
Thank you, ma'am, once again.
Sir, I can see two faces now. I can see Dr. Lal Chandani and I can see Dr. Sunil Singhal. I can see as a co-chairman Sunil Singhal with me for a long time. He's contesting for IMA elections, not IMA, DMA elections.
DMA
so
elections.
as a vice president and from East Delhi, we definitely want him to be supported. Dr. Lal Chandani is a great friend of mine and I can say that, good work should prevail. So that's
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good work should prevail.
Thank you.
You
Thank you, ma'am,
people
for your
are-
wishes.
Thank
Sir,
you.
Singhal
Wish you
साहब,
a
आपको
very,
तो
very happy
जिताएंगे।
birthday.
डॉक्टर साहब आपको तो जिताएंगे ही।
Thank you, ma'am. It was wonderful session, ma'am. And definitely you are just making us a
मैम आपने तो हमारे को वैसे ही ग्रुप्स वगैरह में डाल के एकदम अपसाइड
I've
डाउन
been
कर
a
दिया.
great friend of mine and just see that he is taken care of.
Thank Thank you, ma'am.
Right, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Right, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.